Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Payoneer for pay-per-click ads. I just tap on browser and advertise with less admin. If you advertise your business, simplify ad payments with a Payoneer account. A true time saver for settling your Amazon advertising invoices. So Payoneer is for good for payments digital. So it pays to advertise your business already buys into a power of advertising on the marketplaces and platforms where you do most business. But the last thing you need is lots of admin with your ads with Payoneer. You can pay your advertising bills in a few clicks. So it's very easy and simple. You can get it. So sign in into Payoneer, enter invoice details, select marketplace, add payment detail, review your payment and submit. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.